Hello guys, welcome to another video. So unfortunately, if you guys remember my voice from my last video, I am Fallen Roblox and my channel got terminated. Unfortunately, I think it was about promoting cheats and YouTube didn't like it. So yeah, that is very sad. But guys, how to install the Matcha external? So yeah guys, so let's get started. So just head over to your browser guys and let's download Matcha. But before we install Matcha guys, we need to get a license key, and to get a license key need to go over to buymatcha.xyz. This is the website for Matcha if you guys want to buy Matcha. Also guys, a quick note guys, this is not the official website but this is a reseller. So because I think the reason why you cannot buy from Matcha, like the original Matcha itself, I think it's because they only do like resellers so that resell their products. So as you can see, these are the Matcha features guys, but there are much more features than just this guys. So yeah, and for this video I think I'll be going for this normal license. So I'll be back guys. Hello guys, so now I'm back and I finally bought Matcha. So this is the Matcha license guys. It will start with buy Matcha and then this here. Okay, so after this head over to portal.bloxify.cc. So what you guys want to do here is to paste your invoice ID, which you pretty much from the order when you bought like the Matcha thing. So what you do, just paste your invoice ID here. So once you paste your invoice ID here, just press access dashboard and it should take you right here. And as you can see, it's really nice. So what you guys do first is press this force Roblox version and it should take you guys to this website. So let's just wait for a while and save. Okay, so once that's done, just head over back here. And now as you can see here, we are now in the setup guide. So just follow the instructions right here. So yeah, so as you can see, no special characters. You only need to open the loader one, save your logins, avoid 2FA, don't change your username password after registering. Okay, so mark complete and continue. Oh, also guys, if you guys lost your credentials, make sure guys that you guys need to remember, because if you guys forget, then you need to buy a new license. So yeah, and next is just press this one here to register on key. So this is the key auth right here. So here, new to the panel, and just press sign up right here, and then now you make your username, password, and license. It's gonna paste my license right here, and for the password, it's gonna be really easy. I'm just gonna make it to Fallon1234. Just to make it really simple. Okay, so register. As you guys see, I just made the account, so that means that we are now good to go. So once it's done, just press mark complete and continue, and then download Matcha. Just press this one here and it should start installing Matcha. Okay, just wait for a minute guys. I think I might need to update this real quick. Okay guys, sorry for the technical error guys. So I finally fixed the website. It had like basically the old installation for Matcha, but now I fixed it. So if you guys press this and it should now work. So that was so bad. I'm so sorry guys. Once you see this, just press loader.rar and just press save. It will now download and then just extract it. Okay, so as you can see, it says virus. So what you have to do here is just turn off your Windows Defender or any sort of antivirus that you have, and then reinstall again. And now I think this time it should work. Okay, there you go, it now works. So just extract this one here right here, and then just drag it to the folder. Okay, so once that's done guys, just double click loader.exe and run anyway. And that's really normal guys because you're dealing with an external. So yeah, so for the username it's 12345 and Fallon12345, and then press continue. As you can see, it's now working really well. And also this is my first time using the new version of Matcha. So yes, this UI is really new for me. So yeah, I'm just gonna go user mode and launch. And then as you can see, make sure you have Roblox open. Okay, so what you have to do is just double click Roblox player beta.exe. There you go. And then let's just play like a random game maybe. Maybe Sniper Arena. I'm so curious about this game. There you go. And then let me just double click app.exe. So just app.exe guys, okay? And as you can see, Matcha is now loading. So yes, now we have Matcha now. Continue. Just press continue. Oh, what? Turn off core isolation. Okay, so let's turn off core isolation. So let's just do. Okay, there you go. And then we have to pretty much restart to apply the changes. So we're going to restart the PC, guys. So we'll be back. Hello guys, so finally guys, I restarted my PC. So I think this should finally work now. So I think there was map.exe. Oh wait a minute. I think it got deleted. I think it's because the virus is on. So let me just turn this off real quick and then open the loader. So let's just wait for a while. So let's just wait for a minute, guys. So let's open Roblox. Wait, there it is. Roblox player beta. The thing that you extracted, okay? So just double click right that and then let's just join a random game. So I think let's see a game. What game we want? Oh, there it is. Sniper Arena. I'm just going to press app.exe. Just double click it and it should load in Roblox. And as you can see, Matcha is now loading. So that's wonderful. And press continue mapping because I turned off for isolation. Make sure you're in a Roblox game on the live channel. Oh my god, I think it's because Matcha didn't update on this version just yet. Okay, so I heard that there's a new fix, which is to head over to this website right here, rdd.wu.xyz, and to check like the let me see. Oh, there it is, Matcha. Okay, there you go, Matcha. And then download the web launcher. So there you go, download this file. Okay, let me see, register, back up and enter Roblox bootstrapper, guys. Sync with exploit and Matcha. Please work. Update. There you go. It finally opened Roblox, guys. So moment of truth, guys. Please make Matcha work, please. Oh, there you go. Oh my god, finally guys, we finally got Matcha to open. Oh my god. Woo! That was so annoying to fix this. That was really annoying. But in the end, we are able to succeed, guys. Man, it feels so good to, like, you know. So let's enable this and let's see if it works. So let's do a quick showcase. Quick showcase, guys. So ESP static. Oh, there it is. Enable box. As you can see, it works. Enable box, cube, name. You can also add name, distance. Yeah, health bar also. For this time, maybe I'll just do like aimbot, body. I'm not gonna rage because that's kind of bad. Okay, there you go. And disable check. And there you go. So. But let's just show you like some of the features right here. As you can see, wait, I can teleport. Wait, teleport. Holy shit, I can teleport. What? You guys are not gonna get banned, so like, you guys don't really have to worry about it. So yeah. What the hell? So as you can see here, these are pretty much most of the stuff right here. So yep. So let's go ahead and try. In a different game. Okay, let's try it in Sniper Arena. I don't really play like games like this that much. I'm not really like into games like this, but for the video, let's go ahead and try this. So guys, that was like the fix basically, guys. You guys really have to like just install the web launcher, guys. Just install the web launcher. So yeah. So wait, what's this? Oh my god, this is kind of weird. Like, okay. Let me see. Okay. Let's start. This is my first time playing like this game, so yeah. So I hope it works now, please. I'm such like a low life in like cheating this game because this game is so easy. But let's just cheat in this game. Come here, motherfucker. Fuck, what the fuck I missed? You cheats? How did I miss you cheats, guys? No way. Oh my god, I just jumped. Oh my god, this kid is like, why is this guy like just camping there? I'm just gonna like say hi. What's up, motherfucker? Fuck, what the fuck? I'm getting destroyed. I think this guy's also cheating, so I'm gonna destroy this guy. So come on, please. What? God, what? I think this guy's just better. This guy's just good. There's like no way. How is this guy like destroying, man? What? Oh my god, guys, you can. Okay. I think I'm just a bad player. He has 21 kills, so yeah, I'm just gonna like try to get. Oh my god, this is so embarrassing. What? This guy's such a sweat. The fuck? How does he know? Wait. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I think that guy's just good. He's good better. This is gonna be just like the montage. So yeah, guys. So yeah, I think this will be all for this video, guys. I'm not having fun. I think. Oh shit. Oh my god. Fuck. It's so fast. This guy's. That guys that did this like not human. Let's try to do a rage, cause why not? Those is guys so good. What's this? Okay, anyways guys, that will be all for this video guys. So thank you guys for watching guys. So as you can see guys, I'm kinda bad with cheats, so like yeah. So I think if I have no cheats, I think I would be really good. So I was just joking. So guys, thank you guys for watching guys, and peace.